Hi, and I welcome you all for the today's session 2 in exercise 1 of remaining part of the Illustrator interface elements. Let us see the topic which I am going to cover in this session. Today we will discuss about tools panel, document window, panel groups and some multiple choice questions. Let us see the tools panel and remaining will see one after the other and understand. The tool panel consisting of totally we have 9 parts. The parts should be mentioned in a alphabetical wise. In the A part, we have choose the 4 tools for selection to the object, whatever we have created, and move and some do corrections. Then we have drawing tools which are used to create a artwork. Then we have time tool. Time tab is used to create the text in a document. Next we have painting tools. The painting tools which are used to create a stroke effects, background effects and some colorful work. Next we have reshaping tools. The reshaping tools which are used to give a blend effect to the created artwork. Next we have symbol tools. The symbol tools is used to create a symbolic representation of in an artwork. Next we have graph tool. Graph tool is used to create the bar chart, pie chart and remaining graph. Whatever we have done, the work should be represented in a graphical representation. Next we have slice and cutting tool. The slicing and the cutting tool, the artwork which has been created can be individually sliced and cut, which helps in a web application or some other applications. And finally we have moving and zooming tools. Moving and zooming tool, moving we can use to move any artwork using a hand tool without using any other. That is the difference between moving tool and a move tool. Move tool, we have to select the object, then we can move wherever we want in the artwork of the page. But the moving tool, which is the hand tool, is used to move the page, not the object. Next, zooming tool, which is used to zoom the page, not the object. While zooming the page, we can see the bigger in size any object or the text. Later I will show you all those things in the next upcoming lesson or exercise. Next, tool panel is located in left of the Illustrator window by default. As the name suggests, it contains various tools represented by respective icons. Already we have discussed that one. These tools are grouped based on their functionalities and used to create and edit vector artworks. In general workflow rules, to select a tool, click the respective icon in the tool panels or press the shortcut key to assign the tool and edit the object on the document window. Similarly, we can create the initials by double click on the tools for the research. Next, selection tool is active in the tools panel by default. Using these tools in the tool panel, we can select, draw, modify the artwork and the page element. We can use the double arrow head that appears at the top of the tool panel to either collapse in a one column or we can view it in two columns. By default, always the toolbar comes in two columns. Next, we will study about the document window. The document window, which is appears in the canvas as the weight area, is called document window. The document window appears when we create or open a document. It consisting of title bar, status bar, and an artboard. Title bar appears at the top and the tabs relevant of the document that area currently open and display the name and the magnification level, color mode of the current document. Next, switch between the document is also available. Along with multiple tabs and multiple documents, tab document may be referred as tab document window. Similarly, the central part white area bounded by a solid line where we can create the object. Remaining portions are pasting area. It will not come in the printing. We can create the shapes, we can manipulate or anything we can do it in the artwork. Object placed outside the artboard does not appear when you print the document. Already I have told you. The gray area surrounding the artboard is known as work area. It is not an artboard, it is called as work area or paste area. We can create whatever we want in the work area. After that, whichever is necessary to print, only that can bring into the artwork. The work area helps to save the object for further use or reference. The status bar appears at the bottom of the document window and displays the information about the currently active document. It displays the current zoom level and current artboard number and the current tool. Let us see one by one in Illustrator software. Now I will open a new file. It will take some time to open a document depending upon the speed of the RAM of our systems. After opening a new document, we can see the artwork. Click on the default print document. See, this solid line we call it as an artboard, and this is the work area or paste area. Whatever we have created here, this will comes in a print preview, but whatever we have created outside will not come in the print area. See, after this, if you go to file and then give print command, see, in preview it is not display, only the box is displaying. This is what we have to understand. This area is used for further usage. Next, we will see the panel groups. The panel groups always come right side of the window of an Adobe Illustrator software. It consisting of certain palettes. The palettes or the panels can come into group is called as panel groups. Here, for example, the transformer palette, pathfinder and the alignment is combined. I will show you how it has been detached and how it has been grouped. It is a small adjustable window that provides access to the common commands and options such as creating layers in a layers panel or picking a color on the color panel. We can collapse, expand and group panel with other panels and make it our own workspace also. Panel groups are logically grouped panel that improves accessibility, specific tools, and panels. They appear in the vertical dock of the right of the Illustrator windows and provide more space to work with. Let us see some multiple choice questions. The first question, the tool panel is located on the dash of the Illustrator window. The options are left, right, side, and none of the above. Normally the application bar is called as horizontal bar. After that we have a menu bar. After that we have control panel. Next, in the right side of the window we have a panel groups. In the center of the window of the application we have a art board. Now you got where the tool panel is located by default. This is the clue to answer this question. Next question, by default selection tool is active in the tool panel. The move tool, the selection tool is always selected. This is the clue to answer this question. Whether this statement is true or false, you have to answer. Next, the central white area is bounded by a solid lines is the dashboard. The options are drawing, artboard, or imaging, or none of the above. The clue to answer this, whatever we have created that has to come in the print, we have to do it in the particular, so within the solid lines. This is the clue to answer this question. The document window appears when you create or open a document. The statement is true or false. You have to answer. The clue is always whenever we open an application window, then or create anything window, new window, this document window will appear. Whether it is true or false, you have to answer. Next, any objects placed outside the artboard does not appear when you print the document. The clue, the options are drawing, art, imaging, and none of the above. It is adjacent to the work area. This is the clue to answer this question. It will not come in the printing. Next question. Panels are small adjustable window that provides access to the common commands and options. Whether the statement is true or false. Always the panels comes in a smaller size. We can make it group by flipping, and we can do some commands and some options. This is the clue to answer this question. Next. Dash groups are logically grouped panel that improves accessibility of specific tools and specific panel. For example, layers, for examples, transfer, path, control palette, or paragraph panel. This is the clue to answer this. We can make it as group and we can make it as our own workspace. The options are color, panel, and imaging, and none of the above. Finally, I thank you all once again.